I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust Audi Q3 headlight. First, park the car on level ground about 10 feet from a wall and mark the headlight centers. Ensure tires are properly inflated and the vehicle has a typical fuel load. Use a 10 mm socket to loosen the adjustment screws gently and make small turns. Test by turning headlights on and checking beam cutoff alignment on the wall. Before adjusting, collect a 10 mm socket, Phillips screwdriver, tape, and a measuring tape. Park the car facing a flat wall on level ground and set tire pressure to the vehicle's recommended level. Measure from the ground to the headlight center and mark that height on the wall with tape for both lights. Also mark the vertical center line using the vehicle center as a reference. This setup guarantees reliable alignment adjustments. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: I recently tried leak-proof meal prep containers that keep greasy hands away from steering wheels and tools, making workshop snacks stress-free and tidy. They stack well in a tool bag and save cleanup time after a job. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Start by turning on the low beams and cover one headlight while adjusting the other. Loosen the top screw slightly and use the horizontal adjustment to center the beam over the vertical mark. Then tweak the vertical screw so the sharp cutoff sits on your horizontal reference. Repeat for the other headlight and ensure both beams are symmetrical. Tighten screws and take a short night drive to confirm proper road illumination.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.